Uncertainty can drive our minds into constantly searching for answers, or maybe for control or reassurance, or just seeking certainty about what comes next. And over time, this creates mental and emotional holding that builds this tension in our body, in our nervous system, and in our breath. So, in today's grounding meditation, we'll explore creating a deeper sense of trust, safety, and support within ourselves while navigating fear, uncertainty, stress, or emotional overwhelm. This meditation is inspired by the Bladder meridian in Chinese medicine, which will support nervous system regulation, grounding, emotional release, and a deeper connection to the present moment. So you can find a comfortable position, you can sit down, you can rest up against something. If you're seated, you can lie on your back, whatever feels best for you right now. Let's move into the practice. Now, once you're comfortable, without needing to change anything right away, simply begin by noticing the places where your body is already supported. So noticing the floor beneath you, the weight of your body, the support underneath your legs, your hips, your back or your shoulders. And allow your jaw to soften. Relax the space around your eyes. Let your tongue rest. And begin to notice your breath exactly as it is. So there's no need to force a deep breath or to breathe perfectly. Just allow yourself to notice the natural movement of your inhale and your exhale. Perhaps noticing where your breath moves most easily right now. Maybe into your chest, into your ribs, into your belly, or into the back of your body. And with each exhale, imagine your body becoming a little heavier, a little more supported, allowing the floor to hold more of your weight. And letting yourself soften into this support. When we move through uncertainty, our nervous system can try to protect us by staying alert, braced, or prepared for what might happen next. And maybe part of today's practice is simply allowing yourself to pause from holding everything together quite as tightly. And not by forcing yourself to let go, but by softening around the effort of anticipating, controlling, or feeling a need to having everything figured out. Now notice if you can feel the back of your body, feeling the back of your heels, the back of your legs, the weight of your hips, the back of your ribs, your shoulders, the back of your neck, and the back of your head. In many traditions, the back body is associated with support, protection, and the unconscious ways we brace ourselves through fear or uncertainty. And today, perhaps you can allow your back body to soften just a little, allowing yourself to feel supported, allowing yourself to breathe, and allowing yourself to exist here without needing immediate answers. You don't need to know everything about the future in order to support yourself in this moment. And you don't need to force certainty in order to create safety within your body. Even in moments of uncertainty, you can continue returning to your breath, returning to your body, and returning to the support beneath you. Feeling your back body, its connection with this support beneath you, and resting into that connection. Now taking one more slow breath here. Feeling as you exhale what may feel different. This can be physically, emotionally, or mentally. Even if the shift feels subtle. When you're ready, Begin to gently deepen your breath. Slowly bringing movement back into your body in whatever way feels natural for you right now. Now, if you want more practices to support your nervous system, your emotional well being, grounding, and mind body connection, you can download my free Reset Your Nervous System starter kit that I have linked below in the description. And if this meditation resonated with you, feel free to leave a comment sharing what you noticed during the practice or what themes you'd like support around in future videos. Your comments help support the channel and also help me create practices that are most meaningful for this community. And if you want more meridian yoga, meditation, EFT, and holistic nervous system support practices like this, subscribe so you continue practicing with me with the new videos I'm sharing every week here. Thanks so much for taking this time to be present with yourself and for practicing with me today. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.